Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. It's been a while since I last uploaded again. If you're new here, my name is Nini and this is Bloodstrike. So today, I'm just gonna grind and grind and grind. So yeah. I don't talk too much, so sorry guys, I don't know if this is gonna be a silent gameplay or whatever. But yeah, I'm really gonna go up that. But I don't know how though. I'm gonna go up high there. Yes, I am still have these like circles. So like whenever I'm touching my phone. I wanna keep those in so that whenever I watch my gameplay, back my gameplay, I know what's wrong. And I've seen like one of the posts in the official Facebook page of Bloodstrike that there has been a ban. So yeah.
Watch me electrocute these fools!
Ako lang yung gusto. Ay, okay. Ay, okay po. Lalayo na ako. Nope, lalayo na ako. Sorry. Lalayo na ako. Oh, puta ka mo. Bye. Bye.
Light 'em up! I'm reloading.
Bitch, no.
Spotted! Down!
The safe zone has been redefined.
Where is it? Oh, he's gonna go there. He's gonna go to the solar tower. He's gonna go to the solar tower. You can see, he's right there. Look, running. He's gonna go to the solar tower.
Using bandage.
He's gonna go to the solar tower. He or she. This player is gonna go. Ooh. Another one. That boy has a gun already. Goodbye. At least we're close to the safe zone, which is good. Run. Jump. There. Yeah, as I was like saying earlier, I saw like the recent post of the putang ina.
I'm down! Weapon here.
Like of the official Facebook page of the I don't know what to say again. Oh, putang ina. The official Facebook page of the Bloodstrike, that there's a lot of banning, especially what they saw on
I
YouTube.
need help! Smoke grenade!
But now I am telling you that like if you're putang inang watching this, who the fuck are you?
Light 'em up!
Bakit? Another one?
I'm reloading. Light 'em up! I'm reloading.
If you're gonna see this Bloodstrike, these little circles is just one of the settings in my phone.
Wait for me to
Like
slow.
whenever like having a tutorial, you know that yes, this is just setting on my phone. hope you can understand.
The safe zone is shifting.
I'm under fire.
Oh, putang ina. Help! Oh my god! Ah, my health.
I'm patching up.
Oh my god. Kailangan ako sa taas na. My god, my health. Oh my me. My goodness. My health. Ah. I was verge of death. Oh my god. Okay. Now I'm just gonna need money. Money. Oh, MP5. Oh yeah, there's a new gun in the game. Forgot to tell you that guys. Guys. That the new gun.
Mega kill!
Like the new gun of the game is MP5, which is I very like. Gonna ask why and how. The new gun has a fast recoil because it's an SMG,
Enemy squad wiped
and I
out.
am telling you, so for me, I love the SMG, especially Vector and P90.
Weapon here.
But with the new gun, it has a fast recoil. For my opinion, it has like the shortest. No! I mean the reload! I mean the reload time. It has the shortest reload time in my opinion.
Got
Which is, I like it. Good. I don't know if I do it. I'm gonna change it. That's it. That's it. I'm gonna change it.
enemy spotted.
I'm gonna change it.
Taking hit. I'm medic needed.
Oh, fuck. They're all in together? Oh, yeah.
Weapon here.
Enemy here. Wait for me to reload.
Sheesh. Nah.
I got the whole team left.
Bitch, no. Don't.
Reloading.
No. I can make it. Just trust me, guys. I can make it. Don't worry. Fuck. Sorry, guys, for my language. I already told you that in like the first ever video that I posted. I swear a lot.
I'm not sick. Please help me.
I swear a lot.
Wait for me to reload.
I'd make it. Told you guys I'd make it.
The safe zone has been redefined.
To change my
Thanks,
controller
bro.
and make this smaller.
Please help me.
Yes, even in the middle of a game, you can go change your little interface.
Taking hit.
Telling you you can. That is one of the reasons why I love this game. What the heck?
Target
I need
eliminated.
to get here.
This way. This way.
I need to get early into the rocket base.
Enemy spotted.
Slow down.
Oh shit, I have a lot of money. Oh fuck.
UAV support called in.
Oh. Who? Hold on. Who?
Let's go here.
Don't know who was that. Oh. Oh. Straight down? Oh shit.
Light 'em up. I'm under fire.
Oh no, I am gonna jump down there. Don't care. Don't give a shit. Hey, motherfucker.
Reloading.
Eme. But I do really need to go to the rocket base. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh shit.
I need help. Enemy spotted.
Okay.
Using
Thank
that.
goodness. Okay. I'm just gonna go follow this Maxima 2.0. Hello.
Enemy spotted.
Shit, wait, there's so many. There we go. Thank you.
Enemy
1,
spotted.
2, 3. Yeah, I need to go to the rocket base early. Oh, God. And also, I need to buy an Evo for my shield. Yo, nice one, guys. Oh
Gotcha.
shit. There's somebody
Cover
here.
me.
Seriously? Nice one. Gotta get money. I need to get money.
This way.
Where is it? He's gonna follow for backup. My hands, my hands, my elbow, elbow hurts. Fuck. My elbow. Fuck. Oh, so there's only 3 left, I guess.
Enemy hit.
There's only 3 left, I guess. I'm just going to the rocket base right now. Need this. No. What the fuck is this now?
I'm reloading. Enemy spotted. Taking fire.
I'm lagging.
Enemy hit.
I am lagging. Ooh.
Wicked sick!
My hands.
I'm reloading.
Okay, there's only 1 left. Oh. Actually, siya nakatayo lang talaga. Okay.
Godlike!
Who killed it? Yay, I killed it! Sorry, I'm calling it. I killed her. Him. Well, I guess that was like a short a short gameplay, I guess. My goodness. But that's okay for me, because at least I refined my skills again. And here is the 8 kill highlights. Just gonna react to it to don't care. Okay, that one I panic. I panic at that one. Oh, there's the other. I did not know. It's just right up behind. I did not know that. Oh my god. Okay, this one. My reaction earlier is surreal. I thought I was gonna die first. Freaking hicks.
Mega kill!
I regard the decision that followed. That one is I can control it because I am lagging, that you saw it earlier. This one, when I'm coming up to here, is just standing there. Oh shit.
Godlike!